President Barem ka Amerika Donald Trump, ulakano yo President Bamenta jong ka Amerika Joe Biden, dakabaang baka jingkersan pisa jong Joe Biden, ya ka Iran kabadai ka nongkersan barat ba jong kin leno Hamas, kala banyalam saka thma ba kabalai. Shosho utrom ulakano ba Joe Biden ulashet kala ya kari Israel, bat kumjoro ya kari Amerika, da ka jingkersan pisa kabakat $1 billion. Utrom ulay tho ba utang suyo jingtip ba Joe Biden ulayarap pisa ya kari Iran, ulaang ba an suggestion kathma namar, da ka pisa kilayo jingarap na Joe Biden, kila banti da kitiar thma nuklear. Utrom shosho ulay tho badai tang mau na pedeng ki Presiden jangkari Amerika, ubala itu ya ka Jerusalem, kum kanong ba jangkari Israel, badro ubala nuat man penkendria aka embassy jangka Amerika sa Jerusalem.
The way he was talking, it was the craziest thing. He was begging him, don't do the Iran nuclear deal. I ended it. And if we had our administration, we would have had a deal with Iran already. It would have been a good deal. They wouldn't have had a nuclear weapon. Now they're 3 months away from having a nuclear weapon. And once they have a nuclear weapon, the conversations become much more difficult. This guy, this poor, sad sack of a president that we have, will lead us into World War III, 100%. I've made and I hope that's a prediction that I'm wrong on. But we've never been closer. We've never been closer than we are right now. And he tweaks the wrong people at the wrong time. He says the wrong thing at the wrong time. If he says anything at all, he's not respected at all. It's a disgrace. They spend all their money with the DOJ on screwing opponents. That's what they do. That's all they're good at. You are closer to World War III, and I can say this, if I'm elected, I'm the only one that can say it, you will never have World War III. You will not have World War III. Less than 4 years ago, we had the historic Abraham Accords, which everyone said, when will you get your Nobel Peace Prize? I had 5 things I should have gotten a Nobel Prize, but I said, I'm not going to get one. They gave one to Obama when he got elected. 2 weeks later, they got elected. He didn't. Why did I get it? Does anyone know? He didn't even do anything. He didn't do too much after that either. But today, think of it. So, just a short time ago, we did the historic Abraham Accords, and today we have the exact opposite, a major attack on Israel. What a difference a president makes, right? What a difference a president makes. As president, I also kept my promise to recognize Israel's eternal capital and opened the American embassy in Jerusalem and got it built. I actually got it built. It's going to cost $2 billion. I did it for $500,000. You know that story. I also recognized Israeli sovereignty over the Golan Heights, something that they've been working on for 58 years. They never got it done. I got it done. And I withdrew the United States from the disastrous Iran nuclear deal, and we were in a position to make an unbelievable deal. And these guys didn't do anything. I kept saying, are they doing anything? They didn't do anything. We saved America once before, and I am the only candidate in this race that will save America once again. We're going to save America because we have no choice. We have no choice. So here's just some of what we'll do when we become, all of us together, because this is a we effort. We become the 47th President of the United States of America. I will totally obliterate the deep state, stop the weapon.